Right. For the deployment scenarios, no, we have scenarios for coverage extension, new deployments in urban, suburban, okay, in rural coverage, support of private and neutral host networks, and also with the system replacements and upgrades. Okay. So yung mga deployment trials na yan, these are the operators that have demonstrated the Open Run. No? In USA, we have AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. In China, ayan, we have the China Unicom, China Telecom, China Mobile. It is a lot in UAE. Okay? Germany, we have Dutch Telecom, Dish also. Okay, sa USA, Vodafone, Telefonica, and in Japan, it's Rakuten, yung pioneering natin for Open RAN. And also with Philippines, hindi rin tayo papatalo. No? For the Philippines, Smart was able to demonstrate their Open RAN deployment this January. Okay. So these are the vendors naman who very much involved with Open RAN. That is Parallel Wireless, Mavenir, Vodafone. Okay. In South America, yan mas medyo mas widely used si Parallel Wireless, and for EU, ayan, we have Xilinx, Wave Mobile, Icatera. Okay. So in terms of the vendor ecosystem in the quadrant 1, okay, in quadrant 1, ito yung mga pure players ng Open RAN. Sabihin, they provide solutions for the GPP hardware and software. Okay. On the quadrant 2 is our traditional vendors naman. But again, these traditional vendors, they also are playing with Open RAN. Sabihin, they also provide Open RAN solutions. Okay? Pwedeng buong setup, Open RAN solution ni, let's say, Nokia. Ayan siya. And you can mix and match it with Mavenir, NEC, ganun siya. Okay. On quadrant 3 are the integrators. When we say integrators, these are the specialists who will help the network operator deploy such integrations. Si Tech Mahindra, Amdocs, Radisys, dyan din sa Accenture. Yeah. Okay. And on the quadrant 4, these are the chipset vendors naman. Okay. We have NVIDIA, Qualcomm, and also cloud vendor if we want to pursue on public cloud deployment. Nandiyan si Google Cloud and si AWS. Right? But still, hindi ito yung hindi ito yung kumbaga hindi sila limited sa gitong vendors. This is the most common ba. Okay. Okay, so these are just some comparison between the vendors. No, we have the new players, sila Mavenir, Parallel Wireless, AlsoStar, and yung traditional natin, which also are vendors din ng Open RAN, except Huawei, di ba? We have Nokia, Ericsson, Samsung, and ZTE. Okay, and these are what the newcomers can provide. They provide end-to-end portfolio mobile network, virtual network functions, or cloud network, cloud native functions. Okay. They can provide all mobile radio generations and classes for radio centralized, virtualized Open RAN controllers. Yeah. They can provide Open RAN software. Okay. In terms of the traditional vendors, si Ericsson, Huawei, and ZTE, okay, they do not have yet an Open RAN element sa portfolio nila, but si Ericsson and ZTE, they contribute dun, especially sa mga trials, deployments ng Open RAN with ORAN Alliance. Okay. For Samsung and Nokia, they are already providing an Open RAN elements, or if a network would like to have an Open RAN solution coming from a major player, yan, Samsung and Nokia can provide them. Okay. So these are the players with the most contracts, okay, based in Open RAN. We have the parallel wireless. Okay, sila yung may pinakamaraming deployments na. Then next is Ultrastar, Intel, Mavenir, Gigaterra, and so on and so forth.